Welcome to our bridge design. So we are currently working on this bridge. This is the this is the pier's elevation. So it has um, three piers on the left hand side and three piers on the right hand side. This is actually the elevation of the piers. So we want to produce the plan view of the piers right now. So I just said, let me record this uh, process so that you can also have an idea of how to go about this working drawing. Okay, so from the piers elevation, we have from the center of the pile, so we have 1,000, and from here we have 1,000, which is the which is the projection, from the pile, the projection from the pile. This is actually calculated. This is done by calculation. But since we are just concentrating on the detailing, so I just want to show us how to produce the plan of this uh, pile pierce base. Okay, so from here we have, you can see that we have three pairs, three pairs here, three pairs here. So, and the gap from the edge of the pile cap to the center of the pairs is about 1.5, and we have the same thing here is also about 1.5. Okay, so let's start with the uh, pile position here before we can now move to the pairs. Okay, so from here is 1,000. Then from here to this center is 1,600. So we are going to offset 1,600. So what we will do, I'm going to use this. So I'll come to offsets, click on offsets, then type in 1,600, 1,600, 1,600. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 of it. That is 2. That is 3. That is 4. Okay, I think this is 5. This is 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is 5. So what we are going to do now, uh, we are going to extend this. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. So let me just copy this. Let me copy this. Okay. So I'm going to move this and also move this also. So click on move, click on the object snap, then come here, move this to that point. Then I'm going to move this also. Click on this, move this also. So I'm going to click on this, move this. Now let me copy it again. Click on move, then move this. Okay, so I will now copy this. I will copy this. Okay, so we have gotten that now. So the same thing will also be applicable here. So we are going to blow this so that we can adjust. We're going to blow this so that we can adjust the, oh sorry, we explode it. Then we also tap 1/6. Okay, so this one coincides with this. So here, in this case, we can actually handle this one this way. We fix that one there. Delete this. Then move this. Fix that one there. Delete this. Move this. Fix it there. Delete this. Then here we can copy this. Okay, and just copy this one. Okay, so we can edit this now. Copy this, fix it here, fix it there. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the next thing for us to do is to work on the. Okay, let's check this out if this is up to 1,000. Okay, that is 1,000. That's 1,000. So the next one is for us to offset this. So from here to here is 1.5. So let's check it out. Okay, 1.5. One five. It's actually 2,000. So this should be 1.5. So we are going to offset 1.5 from here to here. So 1.5. Okay. Then we move this. Okay. Then we offset 3,500, 3,500, which is here to here, 3,500. Then we have another 3,500, 3,500, fine. Then from here we have 1,500, 1,500. Okay, I think it has balanced up now. It has balanced up. Let me check it again. It has balanced up here. Yes, it has balanced up. So what I will do is to just move this. I think I need to copy this first. Then I can move. Okay. I'll copy this. Okay, so from here we can adjust this now to the right position. So So the piers will be spaced at a distance of 3.5 meter each. 3.5 meter each. Okay. So we have been able to produce this one now, the plan of this one. So what we need to do is for us to mirror this so that we can also have this one here. So the gap between this to this place is actually 2.3. Let me show you in the plan of okay, so you can, as you can see here, is 300. So from the parapet to this place. So this place is actually a void. Actually a void. Then we have the proposed stone pitching area. So 300. So we are going to offset that to 300. 300. 300. So okay. So we have to correct this. Have to correct this to, I think this should be 10. Yes. 35357 plus this 10. This is 10. This is also 10. So we mirror this. So for you to mirror this, you highlight everything, come to where you have mirror, click on mirror. Sorry. Let me do that again. Highlight, click on mirror, press enter, delete this, then I will move this. I will delete this out. Let me just set the center line, copy it to this place. Then I will click on everything, then click on move. So you click on move. Okay. So we have been able to achieve that. So this point we can put the void. This is a void. This is also a void. So we can decide to move this dimension. Okay, we can decide to move the dimension to this side. Delete this one out since we have it here already. And that is wonderful. So we move this to the center. This is one number does. It's just one. Okay, so we are done with that. So we look at it in the plan view. So what we need to do is just to expand this. I'm going to expand this. Fantastic. So you can see now that we have the plan of our PS base ready. So I can decide to adjust if I want to adjust this. I think everything is okay. Everything is perfectly okay. So that is how you can detail your PS base. So thank you very much. See you in our next video. Bye.